And for our ingredients, we have freshly baked bread rolls, nicely diced onions. These are red onions. We have beef Vienna hot dogs. We have dark soy sauce. We have tomato sauce. We have mayonnaise. This is eggless mayonnaise. We have chili sauce. And lastly, we have mustard sauce. So I'll start by first frying my onions. So my stove has been lit. That's my pan. So I'll pour in my oil. Allow the oil to heat. So you can test whether your oil is hot enough by trying one onion. So our oil is hot, so I'll pour in the onion. So continue separating the diced onions so that they cook evenly. Okay. So the next step is to pour in our soy sauce. Then we mix. So our onions are ready, so I'll turn off the cooker. So 5 minutes are over, so I'll remove the hot dogs. So I'll turn off the stove. Place them on a kitchen paper just to take off the excess water. So I'll just toss this using the same pan I had used to fry the onions, just to give them some color. This is optional, guys. You really don't have to do this. So the last step is to stuff the bread roll. I'll take my hot dog, place it in the middle. I'll stuff in the onions. You can see. And depending with your preference, I'll start with the tomato sauce. Next, I'll put some mayo. Then I will finish it off with the mustard sauce. So guys, that's the way the hot dog looks. Be sure to try this at home. It's a very easy recipe, and let us know how it turned out on the comment section. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and also turn on your post notification bell so that whenever we post a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Thank you, and